Akasa Air is hiring for cabin crew at Kolkata location, and selection criteria will be nationality, Indian national with valid passport, PAN card and Aadhaar card. Age limit for freshers 18 to 28, for experienced up to 35, and minimum height 167.5 centimeters, and women 155 centimeters. BMI range 18 to 25 for male, 18 to 23 for female. Next, minimum education 10 plus 2, language fluency English and Hindi, fitness medical fit as per DGCA guidelines. Next, tattoo or marks no visible ones, and please note that online registration is mandatory. Interview on registration and by email invite